Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, Chris here, and in this particular lesson we're going to be doing an Alzapua por Alegrias. The primary thing we always must highly prioritize and concern ourselves with is that we are in time, that we're in compás. So be sure that you are squared away on this, not cutting any beats. There are holes here in the compás where you wait, and I'm doing this purposely to give you time to get ready for the Alzapua. However, that could mean that you skip a beat, you add a beat, and that's no bueno, okay? We don't want to do that. So be very, very cognizant of it. Very, very cognizant. Watch the video, count along, make sure you know how to that there's a certain amount of beats, and we'll talk about that, but I just wanted to stress that, okay? So we're going to do an index rasgueado. Just to start, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3, and here's where the hole is, what I call a rhythmic hole. We go 3, 4, 5, and now we're going to start on beat 6. What beat are we starting on? Beat 6. So 4 and 5, there's nothing. Count those out loud. That's my recommendation. Count them with the metronome. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to do our Alzapua technique, okay? We're reaching with the pinky all the way to the 4th fret, okay? And we're taking our second finger off that B7. It's already off this B7, I'm sorry, because we're doing the Flamenco B7. And then, so we have the open A, first fret of the 4th, and then the 2nd fret of the 3rd, and high open 2 strings. And we're reaching with that. So if this is a big stretch for you, put that capo up here on 5 or so that way it makes it easier. Don't strain your hands. You got to get them used to that, and then slowly bring it down to where you can play it open like this, okay? We are doing 6, 7, 8, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we're gonna go 9 and 10. So we're gonna do a 2 right there at the end. It's really hard to count like that. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're doing a continuation of the triplet feel. 10 and 11 and 12. 10 and 11 and 12, and do a golpe there. I also do a golpe, especially on the first Alzapua. For me, it helps me kind of get going. So that's just one of my technical, unique things that I do. So you can add it, but don't feel like you have to do it. But I'm going to do it just because I'm so ingrained to do it. But better to be able to do it or not do it, not be like me, okay? I'm a warning. Don't do it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So see, I can not do it, especially if I do it slow. But now with the metronome, make sure don't play or don't cut those 4 and 5, okay? 10, 11, 12. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right? So now let's go faster. Let's take this to 112. All right. 10, 11, 12. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So use that 4, 5 to pre-place your thumb, okay? Use that 4, 5 to pre-place your thumb so you're not going from the air to start that Alzapua, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the work. Make sure that you're doing this for your Alzapua too. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.